Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing something really fun and out of the ordinary. One of my favorite sponsors reached out to me and they asked if I wanted to make a super fun video for you guys, and you saw by the title. Today I'm going to be unboxing a very large mystery box. This is literally huge. This is not just any mystery box, you guys. This is a luxury $1,000-ish mystery box that Poshmark sent to me. Oh my god, no way. Oh my god, no way. Is my camera battery almost dead? Okay, I'll be right back. I'm gonna charge my camera. I was really excited to open this, but just like, give me a few minutes. Okay, I'm back. I kind of forgot what I was saying, but basically today's video is brought to you by Poshmark. If you guys don't know what Poshmark is, basically Poshmark is an online app that you can use to buy or sell your items. On there you'll see handbags, shoes, clothing, non-used makeup, home decor. You can buy and sell pretty much anything on Poshmark. I personally shop a lot for Lululemon on Poshmark because Lululemon, you know, she is pricey, but I can get brand new stuff from Poshmark that has never been worn for like $40 cheaper than retail price, so might as well. So basically Poshmark sent me this huge mystery box for me to open for you guys today on camera and do a little giveaway. So there's supposed to be luxury items in here and I'm going to be giving away every single thing in this box, so stay tuned to find out how you guys can possibly win this giveaway. If you guys want to download Poshmark, you guys can use the link in the description, and obviously, like I said, follow my closet at @BitlyDiedrich. All of the giveaway items will be listed on my closet, so you're gonna need to download the app and follow me in order to be a potential winner for the giveaway. But let's just get started because I'm excited, you guys are excited. Let's just find out what's in this box. I'm literally so bad at opening packages. It's all like gift wrapped. Okay, so this is what I see in the box. There's a bunch of different packages in here, all nicely wrapped up. I literally have no idea what is in here. Should I start with a pink one or a wrapped one? Let's start with this. It's actually super sweet of Poshmark to like individually wrap everything. I think that's super cute. This is such a weird video. I love it. It's in another box. You have got to be kidding me. What is this? Oh my god, it's literally Gucci. So first item is literally a Gucci belt, I think. It came in this really nice little bag, you know, like the fancy little bags. Oh my god, I do not know. Why did they, oh my god. Right off the bat, I saw two things out of the box. So I saw the little bag with this gorgeous Gucci belt out of it. It's black leather with G's imprinted all over it. This is so freaking cute. You're probably wondering, okay, slow down, Bailey. Poshmark, anyone can sell anything. Yes. So doesn't that mean that people could sell fake Gucci or fake designer? No. See, Poshmark has an authentication warehouse that items that are claimed to be high-end are shipped to before actually being sent out, and each item is personally authenticated. So on the back of the card it says, "Thank you for your purchase. Our luxury experts have confirmed the authenticity of your Gucci belt." Poshmark has a really great process of making sure things being sold on there are actually authentic. Don't be worried about getting scammed or anything like that, and even if you were to get a product and be like, this is not real, you can easily return it and get your money back. Guys, this belt is so freaking cool, and it's like not too like in your face I'm trying to flex because it doesn't have the G's, but it's like such a nice belt. This is literally so cool. Next thing we'll do is this little pink envelope. Oh, what is this? Okay, you guys, so this is a Steve Madden. Whoa, okay, wait. This is actually really cool. This is a bucket hat from Steve Madden. Should I put it on? Oh my god, okay, I always look so stupid in bucket hats, but this would be such a cute bucket hat for like a festival, like Coachella or something. I don't know, I kind of love it. Feels like really nice quality and, you know, brand new with the Steve Madden tag. I don't know how practical it is to wear, but if you have an occasion to wear something like this, this is really cute. Okay, I'll do the other big box. Oh my god, it's another Steve Madden item. This is the next item, and it is this black leather purse from Steve Madden. There's 2 zippers. Oh my god, this is so nice. It's literally brand new and it just looks so nice. That's so fun. Okay, I'll do this little box now. Okay, so this is a Smashbox Crystallize Photo Finish Aura Shield Primer Water. So this is a brand new Smashbox Primer Water. I'm kind of curious, so I'm just going to open it. Don't worry, I'm not going to use it. Okay, so this is just what the primer water looks like. Cool. I'm going to do this one. I'm going to do this one next just because it seems really intriguing and I don't know. I'm just, whatever. Guys, what? It's literally Louis Vuitton. This is literally a Louis Vuitton box. And there's the authentication card. Oh my gosh, it's in another little bag. Oh my gosh, it is so cute. It's this super adorable little like cream and gray square print leather Louis Vuitton little coin or card bag. There's the original Louis Vuitton little I don't know tag in there. It is so freaking cute, and just like imagine like this clipped onto your keys and then like that's your little like lanyard. Like, okay, who's gonna be getting these gifts? Because I know it's not me. Oh, it's another pink envelope. Oh. Okay, so this next item, so it is this I Am Gia tank top. So it says I Am Gia on the back, and it's kind of got like racing vibes. It has like some cutouts, which I'm kind of curious to see what this looks like on. I normally wouldn't wear things like this. We'll get to the part you guys have been waiting for. So how to enter this giveaway, how to win these amazing items. That's literally such a steal because this mystery box is $1,000 plus. So how to win this giveaway? Basically on my Poshmark closet, which you can find by clicking the link in the description to download Poshmark and then searching up Bailey DJ, you will see all of these items listed as not for sale. So you can't technically buy them because otherwise you would be buying them. And there's a little heart button that looks like this. Yeah, so there's a little heart button on the listing. Whatever item you guys want to win, you will click the heart and basically like or heart the item. And then when the giveaway is over and it's time for the winner to find out if they won, anybody who hearted that item will get a notification, and then basically the winner will be able to buy the item, but it'll be listed at $3. Say you are the winner of this Steve Madden purse, you will pay $3 plus shipping. So definitely like the items. Make sure you guys are on the lookout for when it goes up for sale. I will definitely let you guys know on my Instagram or something, so follow me at bailey.djrick on Instagram for a better chance to win, I guess, so you guys can see exactly when I am turning the things for sale. Yeah, guys, this is so weird. Thank you guys so much for watching. I had so much fun with it. Thank you so much to Poshmark for giving me this opportunity and giving all of you guys this opportunity. Again, follow me on Instagram. Click the link in the description to download Poshmark to buy and sell your own items as well. And yeah, okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!